Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a brown bloomer. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your flour along with the salt and mix the two together until they are combined. You can then go ahead and add in the remaining ingredients, starting with the yeast, followed by the sugar and the milk powder, then the shortening and the water. You'll then want to start to mix your ingredients together on a low speed to start with for around 2 minutes, followed by a high speed for around 6 minutes. The dough should be clean and leave the bowl almost spotless. Once you've got to that consistency, you'll then want to sprinkle some flour onto your work surface and just knead the dough, give it a brief knead just to incorporate some of that flour. Then you can go ahead and place into a lightly oiled bowl, cover with cling film and leave to proof for around 45 minutes to an hour. Once the dough has finished its first proof, you can flour your work surface again and then place the dough onto it, knocking it back. This is just the process of removing the gases that are built up in the dough during the first proof. Once you've done that, you can then bring the dough back into a ball shape, and then you'll want to roll it out into more of an oblong shape. And the only way I can really describe this is a bloomer shape. If you know what a bloomer loaf looks like, you'll know the shape. Then you can go ahead and grab yourself a baking tray which has been lined with some parchment paper, and then place your dough onto it. Cover loosely with cling film and leave for around half an hour to 45 minutes or until it's proofed up again, and it should be pretty well proven. Once you've got to that stage, remove the cling film and then make some scores on top using a sharp serrated knife. I put 6 on this, but I think traditionally you're meant to put 7, but again the amount depends on you. You'll then want to bake it off. All that information will be in the blog post which will be linked down below. So here's what the loaf looks like once it's fully baked and cooled down. You can then decide how thickly you want to cut into the bread. I went with pretty thick as this is the best way to enjoy it, but you can do it as thick or as thin as you'd like. If you wanted to go a bit extra, you could always just, before the baking, just dust some flour on top, but again that's completely optional. And here is what it looks like on the inside and the outside. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there, as I do post quite frequently on Instagram. That's all for today. Bye guys.